By now we would have aware that Spice took the streets with thousands of other protesters who have been seeking justice for George Floyd, who was killed by a white police officer in Minneapolis on the 25th of May. With that being said, not everybody was happy with Spice protesting in the US. I'm here to talk about it. If you're a new viewer, make sure you subscribe now, click the bell icon to turn on your post notification. Oh boy. Hey Spice. Me and you know say you go out there for the fans. You go out there for get some new fans. Me and you know that. Me and you know say you not go out there for your bottom, from your bottom of your heart. You see? Me know say and you know say you go out there for get some new fans. And for people who say, yo, a Spice my name, you probably say, yo, a whole of people are protesting now. Them people don't know Spice. Me not have to go out there and make them know say I'm in Spice. Just imagine Spice after the big people in a protest here. I'm in Spice now. I'm in Spice. Me come and love and hip hop. Go watch it. I'm in Spice. You get me? I say, so Spice, stop your foolishness, man. Me know say, you know go out there for die-hearted black people. You go out there for get the fan base. So they have to stop it. I joke my people, I joke. Next thing, me know ready for go say yo me, say I ready for go bash me in the comment section below, you know, me know. But I joke me and make. Let's jump into the real matter of the story. I wanna hear for dinner more joke or nothing like that. Let's go. Why the people might do Spice like this? Viewer subscribers. So Spice is being criticized because she protested in Atlanta for George Floyd death. Now this is what people are saying. Persons are saying that Spice is a clout chaser and she will do anything for a clout, and it was never necessary because we have never seen Spice, and I quote, Spice doing anything in Jamaica which is this major. This and more persons are saying, right? And these are some of her fans as well and other celebrities and persons. Now, what are my opinion on this matter? Do I think Spice is really a clout chaser and is really doing this for the clout and for the fame and for a person to talk about her? Now I'll give you my opinion, but first, pause this video and leave your opinion in the comment section below. What are your thoughts on this? Anyways, let's move on. But people, let me just say this first and foremost. We already know that Spice is an entertainer, right? We also know that Spice represent the black people and the good girl them. You get me? I say Spice have an image and a brand as well. You get me? I say because of her dark pigment, me not gonna say black, because of her dark pigment, she comfortable embrace as a form of character or brand which speaks out for black people in general. With that being said, we also know that she had a whole entire album speaking on black life and colorism and all of that. Even though it was not much as of a racism or racial discrimination or whatever the case may be. So we know the side they are Spice. Now, was it okay for her to come out and protest? Even though we had already heard her voice, she already give her thought on the matter. It's not me to say, oh, you shouldn't do it or she shouldn't do it. Because everybody had one big man or big woman or whatever the case may be. We've seen other entertainers out there who are not, some are donating hundreds of thousands of US, some are also in the street. Now when you're an artist or a celebrity, the responsibility of you is, our expectation of you is hefty and huge. Now you have a fan base. Now me can tell you, if Spice never say nothing or never touching at the street, people don't bash her and say, yo then, oh Spice, how a Spice love the white people, Spice afraid for you get me? I say, because you have people like that regardless, even though they concern her. But me I try to say this now for make you know, say your people really hard to please. And if she decides say she want to protest, it not really concern we if it's for clout or it's for fame or it's for seek attention. It not really matter to we. The thing is she a protest for black people and for black life. Now we can't read my advice say, yo Spice, now I do this for the real and true black people, she do for the clout. We can't read my advice tell say that she do it for viewers, subscribers. You get me I say? Now, and next thing my people, let me just go back again. We see other artists and celebrities that do it. We see big company that do it. Why? Because these are persons who have fan base. These are the persons who people want to hear from. These are the persons who can put things out in the media and out there, and person will say, yo, yeah, you know what I saw you go, I saw you go. You get me I say? So by Spice and other celebrities out there in the street, it pull other person to say, yo, rather than if a celebrity can understand when me, poor man, or black people are faced, then why not? Let's go out there, let's fight for a right and injustice of black people. Again, me some people, so there again, I don't see anything wrong with it. You know, people are say a clout, well, it's up to she if a clout should be for what me not see nothing wrong with it. Again, me some people, everybody free to do what they want to do, and we see a whole heap of people out there protest. Again, me I say a lot of persons are showing their opinion and say in a matter, in a make no sense, this are in vain. But guess what? Opinion, fact. You get me, I say my people. So watch you know, my people, make Spice just do what she do. She comfortable at protest, no problem. Even they look like say she name me say COVID-19 I keep because most of the time I don't see her on the mask. But anyways, you get me, I say. So me not have a problem with it, you see, but share through no opinion in the comment section below. Wanna think about it, and I think see Spice did this for the clout. She never mean it. One half say because again a full no opinion matter still, you know. Me I say, and again everybody share different opinion. You see, but make you hear one half say in the comment section below, man. Until next time, just vibes with